This is how it all starts. Now that you have chosen your favorite product, the anxiety and enthusiasm to get everything ready for your baby will increase every day. So, for you to be more relaxed, we want to show you a little bit of our production process. While you wait for your order to arrive, we take care of every detail with great love. From cotton yarn to quality control, each step is important and needs to be done with care. While your order status is in production, our team prints, cuts, stitches, and makes the embroidery. Excellency takes time and may be seen as time-consuming. But your product is being made especially for you. You don't need to worry. Soon the Grão de Gente's box will arrive, and each day of our dedication will have made a difference.